I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another wig install / wig review, and the wig that we are going to be reviewing today is the Outre melted hairline Elissa wig. This wig is 22 inches. It does come with soft HD transparent lace. It does have a 5-inch deep parting space. Now the parting space is only on the side. You cannot change the part. It does have that elastic band inside the wig, and then it does come with 3 combs, 2 in the top and then 1 in the back as always, and then it does have the regular straps inside of the wig that you can adjust. Now this wig does come in 10 different colors. Of those 10 colors, 7 are special colors, and then this wig is considered glueless. But y'all, look at her right out of the pack. Y'all know, like, I be amazed every time. But the color, if I didn't mention that I have in this wig, is the DR Mulled Wine. Around like the fall, winter time, I like to do like your burgundies, your berries. Like, I just love how vibrant this color is. And then look at the waves in this wig. And then as always, look at the hairline. I don't have to do anything to it because if I didn't mention, the hairline is pre-plucked, and then it did come with sideburns as well.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight.
At this point, it's time to cut the lace off. So as always, y'all know I like to go in a zigzag motion around the hairline just so we can make the hairline look as natural as possible, because I do not follow my natural hairline. I might have mentioned that to y'all before, but my hairline is low, so I follow the hairline on the wig. So now it's time to prep so we can put the wig on. Y'all know I cannot braid to save my life. So as opposed to braiding, I just like to slick my hair back into a puff, and then I do add an extra ponytail holder just to kind of make the puff as flat as I can and small as possible, and then we're going to go in with the wig cap.
Acting like the same and nothing to you is you done. Frontin' like you numb, yeah, got me gone. You're only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die?
Now the wig cap was a little bit too light for my liking, because the wig cap is supposed to mimic like your actual scalp. So because it was a little bit too light, I just took a little bit of my foundation on a brush and went in and placed this all over the wig cap. Now it's time to put her on. Y'all will see. Y'all will see. Like, this wig, the color, everything.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
I was just having a little moment laughing at myself because it looked funny before I finished adjusting the wig. But y'all, when I tell you, like, look at, like, I'm just amazed at how nicely these wigs come styled already, so you don't really have to do much to them.
How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain?
But I was just adjusting it because I like to make sure that my side parts are lined up with the arch of my eyebrow.
How you gonna grow it?
But y'all, this is where I say the wig can be glueless, because at this point you really don't need to do anything else to it. Like, I literally just popped it on and you could literally walk out the door like this. Like I said, I'm extra. I like to do extra steps, so that's why I take it a little bit further. But if you're a beginner, you definitely can wear this out the house glueless. So right here at this point, I noticed that the hairline of the wig came down a little bit lower than my actual hairline, so I'm just cutting out the lace around the ears just so we can ensure that the wig looks natural and look like it's actually coming out of our scalp.
When you really don't play, how you gonna grow it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? How you gonna grow it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. thinking that I was average when you really the plan.
For this wig, I noticed that my y'all know that my baby hairs almost connect with my eyebrows, because usually when I get my eyebrows done, they have to go almost into my hairline. So I ended up taking that eyebrow razor and just cutting off like my baby hairs, and then I went in with the Eben spray, and I did 2 to 3 layers as always, y'all know this. And then I was just wiping off the excess with a cotton round, and then I'm going to take that blow dryer, and then we're just going to end up tacking the wig down.
How you gonna throw it away? Acting like the same and nothing to you is you done. Acting like you numb, here got we go. You're only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me. You gotta repent to the night.
Like, I don't know if y'all can see, like, look at that lace already. Y'all cannot tell me that does not look like it's coming out my scalp, and I know I'm not even done doing exactly what I want to do to it yet. But y'all know this is a crucial step for me. I take the end of a rat tail comb, and while I'm pressing that down into the lace, I'm blow drying it as well, just to make sure that the lace is completely melted into the skin. And then y'all know I like to take an elastic band, and I usually tie this around my head twice, and then just to make sure that, like I said, that lace is really melted into my skin. And then I usually like to leave it on for 5 minutes. Now it's time for that band to come off. Y'all will see. Like, just look at that. That looks like that's my hair. Y'all literally cannot tell me it ain't. So then, just to make sure that the lace is a little bit more blended into the skin, although you literally could have left it like that, I took my Black Radiance powder and then my Anastasia bronzer and mixed those two, and I'm just placing it anywhere that you could see the lace, because I felt like you could kind of see my wig cap a little bit, but just to ensure you didn't see it and make it look natural, that's what I did. And then I went in with my edge booster gel. Y'all know this, one of my favorite gels, with my edge toothbrush, and I'm just going in and doing a little bit of baby hairs. Like y'all know, I always say I'm not the greatest with them, but when I can attempt and try, I go ahead, and that's what I'm doing here. If I did not mention to y'all, the wig had minimal to no shedding. And then I feel like this wig is big head friendly because I have a smaller head, but y'all did see I had that puff, and the puff did fit completely under the wig. And then I did end up taking that along the part as well, because I said I feel like you could see where my wig cap was at. This here is just really going to make sure that blends in with it. I did not use concealer this time. I felt like I didn't need it, so I just ended up using the powder. Y'all can't tell me this wig is not giving Gamora from Guardians of the Galaxy. The color with the green shirt, I was feeling it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, don't forget to give it a fat thumbs up, subscribe, and until next video, y'all. Bye.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that, ass is still a man.